We have taught them how to observe God's perfect law, while you actively defy and break and encourage others to deviate from it. All of you! This man is dangerous! He's leading you astray!
His words bring hope and healing.
His words are blasphemous,
Then I
heretical.
say woe to you, Pharisees, for you have the best seats in the synagogues, and greetings in the marketplaces.
Take it back. Right now, you can't hear insulting words.
I am just getting started.